Hey there, House Hunters executives. This is Rick Nazaro. Remember me? Star of House Hunters. Oh, maybe a few years back. I know, I often get confused with one of the Property Brothers, but it's actually me from House Hunters. Listen, I'm letting you know about my clients, John Gatto and Art Shirk. I believe you received a video from them. Great guys. Just a little history. John and I go back about 50 years. We were young kids when my family moved next door to John and his family. We became quick friends, and we've been friends ever since. John and Art are a great couple, great sense of humor. I mean, when John and I get together, we are the funniest two people you'll ever meet. Well, we like to think we are. I'm not so sure everybody thinks so, but I think if we were chosen to have a House Hunters episode, it would be quite entertaining. Plus the fact, the place where they're looking, I have to say, will photograph beautifully. I think it will make for good TV. Rockport, Massachusetts is a beautiful seaside community, about 45 minutes to an hour north of Boston. The coastline is magnificent. The downtown is terrific. All quaint little shops. We have a beautiful, beautiful arts center. It's a place where I think your viewers will really enjoy becoming familiar with. And of course, John, Art, and myself will make it fully entertaining, and the properties that we'll show you, although small, will be quaint, and people will have a fun time guessing which one they chose. So, give us a call and let us know when we should be ready for House Hunters.